about Dyslexia Tool Kit. This time we're talking about tool number 11. These are self-generated stories, and this is a wonderful, wonderful tool for a dyslexia tutor or a teacher. This just simply involves taking the stories that children naturally tell and helping to get those stories down on paper. So that might be the teacher grabs a paper and writes the student's words down, or goes to the keyboard and types the student's words, and then the student and the teacher work together to edit that and make it just the way the student wants it. And then you have a text that the student is naturally interested in, can be very successful reading, and that uses their own vocabulary, so it's very easy for them to learn those words because they already know those words. So use those stories. When a student starts to tell a story about what they did or where they went, don't shush them. Grab that opportunity and get that story on paper, and you can even print it out in a number of different fonts, different colors, make it a lot of fun. It can be something they can copy over. It's something they can practice reading, something they can read to their parents. Very motivating to use those stories that children tell as the text that they read.